Welcome to a new episode of Shadowing Pills, the only place where you can practice while reading interesting topics. Today's episode is The Psychology of Motivation. Motivation is often seen as a mysterious force that appears when we feel inspired and disappears when life gets hard. But psychology shows that motivation is not random at all. It is something we can understand, train, and even create when we need it the most. One key idea is that motivation grows when our actions feel meaningful. When you know why you are doing something, your brain releases chemicals that increase energy, focus, and persistence. This means that even small tasks become easier when they are connected to a purpose. Another important principle is that motivation follows action, not the other way around. Many people wait to feel motivated before starting, but science tells us the opposite. When you begin a task, even for just a minute, your brain builds momentum and makes it easier to continue. Starting creates motivation. Psychologists also explain that people stay motivated when they can see progress. You don't need big achievements. Tiny improvements are enough. Tracking small wins activates reward centers in your brain and reinforces the desire to keep going. Finally, motivation increases when your environment supports your goals. A clean workspace, the right tools, or even a simple reminder can reduce friction and help you take action. By shaping the space around you, you shape your behavior too. Understanding these principles allows you to control your motivation instead of waiting for it. Purpose, action, progress, and environment. These four elements work together to help you move forward consistently. And that was the topic for this shadowing pill. Subscribe and turn on notifications to receive your next shadowing dose. See you next time.